Hello everybody and welcome to episode 1 of 2 Crypto Noobs. I am so excited to be starting this journey with you guys. Today we are going to be talking about cryptocurrency and what it is in a nutshell. I do know that a lot of people who I know personally, they are a little timid when it comes to cryptocurrency. We all know that it's extremely volatile. We know that the market continuously goes up and down. But me and Zane are on a mission to be able to help you guys try to figure out what cryptocurrency is and how it can be a benefit to you. If you like this type of content, please make sure that you like, subscribe, as well as leave a comment. It will help the algorithm start pushing more videos like this towards you. It'll push my videos as well as other cryptocurrency learning videos so that you can help better your craft to start making some type of gains. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. Anything that I share with you, I would expect for you to do some follow-up research, mainly because you have to be responsible for your investment portfolio. Within a nutshell, you have to be responsible for the research and everything that goes along with it. I'm just trying to help streamline the process and give you guys some of the things that we may be doing that could possibly help you as well as your family and friends. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. What is it? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that is stored on blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a type of cryptography that allows for there to be checks and balances before a transaction is actually written on the block. There are plenty of different computer systems or nodes that validate this information, so it really makes it hard for hackers and scammers and people to double spend. Which is basically why people invest in cryptocurrency in the first place. It is a decentralized form of currency, which means that there's no one government nor monetary entity that controls cryptocurrency. It's all public information. You can go, you can check out the different blocks and the different transactions that take place. And if one system doesn't add up to the other system, it will not add it to the block. So it really does help with a lot of different hacking and things that go on. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about supply and demand. The reason why I want to mention supply and demand in the same video as what is cryptocurrency is because it has a really big part to play with all types of currency, fiat, digital, whatever the case may be. Supply and demand works with cryptocurrency because let's take Bitcoin for example, right? Bitcoin has one of the lowest circulating coin supplies with 21 million coins currently in circulation. Each time a coin is purchased, it makes the supply of the coin go down, which makes the price of the coin go up. And that's pretty much how all cryptocurrencies work. The more people that are buying the currency, the higher the price is going to be because the supply is short, the demand is high, and the more people that are selling cryptocurrency, that means that the supply is getting higher, the demand is getting lower, which means that the price is going to fall. This is what creates the volatility that people complain about so much in cryptocurrency, but if you understand it and know how to use it and you're reading charts properly, then you can use this type of information to your advantage. So let's talk about everything that we discussed today. I know it's a short video, but I just basically wanted to get this thing off the ground and share with you guys, the concept of cryptocurrency and how it works. And then you can learn more later on as we progress with making more content for you guys. So cryptocurrency is digital currency that is kept in a way that investors like you and me and even major corporations, they're attracted to the way that it's stored because it's decentralized, meaning that there is no government control, there's no entity that is monetizing or monopolizing and telling you what to and what not to do with your funds. You have full autonomy to be able to send and receive funds from one person to the next. The blockchain technology allows for your cryptocurrency to be more secure and deregulated, as I said before, and supply and demand is what controls price. So if you add all those things up, you have cryptocurrency. We'll dive more into blockchain technology and the different types of cryptocurrency assets there are as we go along. But like I said, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to hear about. Let me know what you guys are interested in. We probably already have a video down the line for it, but if not, we'll be sure to get that content out to you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like content like this and you want to see more of it, even if it's my video or not, clicking that like button as well as clicking subscribe allows for the YouTube algorithm to send more cryptocurrency content your way so that we can both be on this journey together and learn and hopefully profit. Thank you guys so much for tuning into 2 Crypto Noobs, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.